Welcome to Master Chem Academy. In this session, you are going to learn Dakin reaction. Okay, one of the named reaction from carbonyl compounds. Okay, now what is Dakin reaction? Orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde with alcoholic H2O2 and followed by hydrolysis forms orthodihydroxybenzene. Okay, so this is called Dakin reaction, or not only ortho compound, here para also, para hydroxybenzoaldehyde under the same conditions. What is the product? Para dihydroxybenzene. Okay, ortho and para dihydroxybenzoaldehydes in presence of alcoholic H2O2. So alcoholic H2O2 means H2O2 plus NaOH. So this is the alcoholic condition. Okay, H2O2 plus NaOH. This is called Dakin reagent. What is Dakin reagent? H2O2 plus NaOH. So that is alcoholic H2O2 followed by hydrolysis. Both ortho and para compounds gives these products. So in the similar way, orthoaminobenzoaldehyde also, orthohydroxy and orthoaminobenzoaldehyde or para-aminobenzoaldehyde. Under the similar conditions, what if for ortho, it is ortho product, orthoaminophenol, and for the para product, para-aminophenol. So how it is? Example, orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde. So we know that what is orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde? It is salicylaldehyde. Okay, CHOOH. Ortho position, phenol group is there, OH group is there. So this is CHO group. So this is orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde or salicylaldehyde. Now with H2O2 plus NaOH. H2O2 plus NaOH. So here in this case, both CHO and OH, both these groups converts into ONA. Okay, this converts into both CHO and OH groups converts into ONA. And next, because of this reaction, and next this one with the hydrolysis, H3O plus hydrolysis. So again hydrolysis takes place in this way. Okay, so HOH. So what is the product? OH. What is this? Orthohydroxyphenol. This is called general name catechol. Okay, catechol. So this is the product, orthodihydroxybenzene. So common name is catechol. Okay, now what about para? So here take this CHO para. So that's why place para position. Place OH at para position. And next same H2O2 NaOH, alcoholic H2O2. So what is the product? So same CHO and OH both converts into ONA, and resultant hydrolysis gives same product but para product. Para product is, this is called quinol. Common name is quinol. Okay, so para dihydroxybenzene or quinol. So this is called Dakin reaction for hydroxybenzoaldehydes. For aminobenzoaldehydes, so that is orthoamino. For this, just replace OH group with NH2. What is this? Orthoaminobenzoaldehyde. Under the same conditions, so here CHO only converts into ONA. So NH2 remains same as NH2 because it doesn't react with this reagent. That's why NH2 is just like as NH2 only. CHO only converts into ONA. Now followed by hydrolysis. So OH NH2, ortho product is formed. So what is that? Orthoaminophenol. This is called orthoaminophenol. Okay, now what about this para product? So para-aminobenzoaldehyde with the same conditions. So CHO converts into ONA and NH2 remains same as NH2. Hydrolysis, so here NH2 and because of this hydrolysis ONA converts into OH in the similar manner. Okay, so this is called as para-aminophenol. Okay, para-aminophenol. This is ortho-aminophenol and this one is para-aminophenol. So this is a Dakin reaction